everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. In today's video, we are delving into a fundamental aspect of web design, the image tag in HTML, or we commonly know it, the IMG tag. Let's outline what we'll be covering today. We'll start with a quick introduction to the IMG tag, understand its syntax, and learn how to embed HTML images on a web page. Then we'll explore important attributes to control image display and functionality. And finally, we will discuss best practices to ensure that your images enhance rather than hinder your website. So let's embark on this visual journey into the world of HTML images. Well, the IMG tag is a powerhouse when it comes to web design. It allows you to seamlessly integrate images into your HTML documents. Whether you are adding a logo, showcasing product images, or enhancing your content with visuals, the IMG tag is your go-to. The syntax of IMG tag is pretty straightforward. You include it in your HTML code with some source attribute, source or SRC attribute, pointing to the image file's URL. So for example, what you see here in my local directory, I have copied an image, and this image is called as photo.jpg. So if I have to embed this in my web page, I will use the IMG tag. So in IMG, I'll have two attributes by default. One is your source and another one is your alt or alternative text. So here, for example, since this is directly available here, there are no folder structures in between. So I'll simply say photo.jpeg. And let me correct this. Yeah. And here I can say description of the image. Okay. Some description that I can put over here. So now if you see, the image is available on my web page. Yeah. And if I make some errors, so for example, if I say photos instead of photo, now there is no such file called as photos.jpg. It is photo.jpg, right? So in such situations, I'll have this alt text that I had put up, that being displayed. Okay. So that's for the HTML image tag, plain and simple. We'll see here. Please always remember that this is not just the file name, but it's the full path. Okay. So this image tag offers various attributes to control the display and behavior of your images. So let's explore a few. For example, let's say I would like to provide it a width. So let me give it a width. And I'll say 300. And let me say I'll like to provide it a height also, 200. And if I have to provide some border, I can also say style equals style equals 2 pixel. Yeah, so I have put a width to it, a height to it, and a style, wherein in the style I'm just saying that put up a border that is 2 pixels wide, it is solid, and it is red in color. So now if we go to the browser and see, this is the image. It has been adjusted now as per the height and width that we have specified. And also, if you notice, there is a red color border around it. So these attributes let you define dimensions and add styles for a more polished appearance. Now let's discuss some of the best practices. Always include this descriptive alt text in your image for better accessibility, and optimize your images for web by compressing them without compromising the quality. So use the width and the height attribute that we see over here to specify the dimensions because if you don't specify the dimensions, the layout of the web page will shift as the page loads. Okay, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the HTML image tag. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, integrating images in your web project has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more web development insights, and hit that notification bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy coding.